Alright, hey YouTube, here's the unboxing I was talking about. Unfortunately the video didn't reach 10 likes, but I'm new, so I really didn't expect it to happen. So, here's the secret I've been telling all you guys about. So, here we go. A knife out here. I didn't expect it to come today because we're having really stormy weather outside. But it did. It just arrived like 2 minutes ago. I've been waiting all day for it. Well, you know, while at school, but still. Alright. And I bet you guessed by now since you just saw it. It's the Master Sniper, UHC. Put that down and see what else we got here. Looks like we got a rifle scope. I ordered that with it as a bonus add-on. And then in here, I believe, are the BBs that I ordered. So, yeah, those are the BBs. We got packing paper, shipping information. Yeah. Let's get to the sniper itself here. Alright. I believe it's upside down. Yeah, it was. But, here it is. Comes in different pieces. Got your different butt pads. You got two 30-round magazines. Got your Allen wrench tools to fix it all. Got a speed loader. Comes in two different pieces. Bipod, sling. Candy. Just kidding, don't eat that. But overall, this is what I got. This was a secret, you know, because I have a ghillie suit to go with it. So, this is Mr. Beast Mode 809. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.